Now everybody will mute the microphone and pay attention there. 10.2 we have completed 10 question, now 11th question. Chalo, 11th question. So there is no need to draw the diagram, but I will draw the diagram on the board. There are the lines L, line L, mute the microphone. Line M and line N. L, M, N. There are three lines, L, M, N. Then there is line R, S. R, line R. No, my dear. No. R, R, S. No need to draw the diagram. No need to draw the diagram, my dear. R, S. Okay. This is my line S. Wait, no. That first question you can write. R, S. Then there is another line, Q line. There is another line, Q line. Okay, Q line. Q line is there. There is another line, Q line is there. Q. Line Q. So how many lines are there? L, M, N, R, S, Q. Now these lines intersect. This point is my A. This point is B. This point is B. This point is D. This point is D. Intersection. Where two lines intersect, that is point of intersection. D, E, D, E, G. This is my G. Then C. This is my point C. Then this is my point C. This line, 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. This line. Okay. Then this line is 1 minute. Let me draw some bigger line. Okay. Some problem is there because okay, chalo, ठीक है. This is a line S. Okay. Now there is another line. In this way it is. Okay. Arey my dear, do not draw the figure. I told you, no. Textbook already it is there. I have to explain, so I am drawing this diagram. This is my Q. Okay, this is A. This is C. Chalo. This is F. F. 1 minute. Everything is covered. Now 3 pairs of parallel lines. Okay, chalo. 3 pairs of parallel lines. 3 pairs of this you have to write. 3 pairs of parallel lines. 3 pairs of parallel lines. 1 minute. 3 pairs of parallel lines. चलो पवित्रा बोलो. 3 pairs of 3 pairs of parallel line, my dear. बोलो चलो. Yes, बोलो दिया. No, my dear. See, you want 3 pair. Pair means 2 lines. How many pair? 3 pair. No. See here. First line is first. Wait, no, my dear. First pair is L and M. L, line L parallel to line M. This is parallel to this. M is parallel to N. This is second pair. M is parallel to N. Second pair. Line M is parallel to line. Then L is parallel to N. This is also there, no? L is parallel to N. So these are 3 pair. How many pair? 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair. Pair means 2. Pair means 2. Remember. How many pair we want? 3 pair. Now two pairs of intersecting line. Intersecting line means this kind. Two pairs of intersecting line. Two pairs of intersecting lines. Two pairs of intersecting lines. Yes. Now tell me. 1 minute. See. QNS. Yes. QNS and RNS also, no? You want two pair. So line QNS, line Q and line S, one pair. Line Q and line S, one pair. See, line R and line S. Line R and line S. So these are two pair. Okay. These are two pair of intersecting lines. Then concurrent lines. Repeating. Chalo. Intersecting line means this line Q and S, they intersect F, S and Q, intersecting line. Then another is R and S. R and S, they are intersecting line at B. Okay. So line Q and line S are intersecting line. Line R and line S are intersecting line. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Now concurrent lines. What do you mean by concurrent lines? 1 minute. Chalo. I had given everybody chance. Now Tanmay Shinde, tell me what are concurrent lines? 1 minute. See, 1 minute, my dear. 1 minute. See, no, this is a bad habit. This is a bad habit. Whomever I have asked, let him or her respond first. Chalo Tanmay. What do you mean by concurrent lines? Many line means three or more than three lines. Okay, so concurrent we say whenever there are three or more than three lines. So three or more than three lines, they intersect each other at one common point. So they are concurrent. These three lines are intersecting each other. You can see R, S and L. Yes, everybody? Yes, concurrent lines. No? Concurrent lines. Concurrent. Yes. Yes. What do you have doubt? My dear, no. Collinear lines are not there. Collinear points are there. We say concurrent lines. Concurrent lines means three or more than three lines, they intersect each other at one common point. You can see the diagram. Line R, line S and line L, they intersect each other at B. Okay. So line R, 1 minute. R, this is line R, line S and line L. They intersect each other at B. Draw this. So first congruent line is lines R, S, L. Line R, S, L. Yes, any other. Chalo. What is any other? Any other concurrent lines? You can see. Any other concurrent lines? Yes, anybody? You can see this. Yes, it is there. This is my line Q. So no, wait. This is my line Q, line S and line N. Q, S and N. Q, this is my line Q. Q, S and N. Q, S and N. You can see in the diagram N. They intersect each other at F. Yes? Is it clear or not? So lines Q, S, N. Yes, is it clear? CA wala? Okay, chalo. So lines are concurrent lines. Q, S, N. This line Q, S, N. They intersect each other at point F. So these are concurrent lines. Okay. And collinear points D. Collinear points D. Collinear points. Now you talk about collinear points. Someone was asking collinear points. Collinear point means see here, collinear, there are many collinear points. You can say A, C, F, 3 or more than 3 points. No, A, C, F, collinear points are, my dear, all are lying on the same line Q, no? A, C, F, they are lying on the line, no? A, C, F, A, C, F, A, C, F. You will write in the box. This is one. Then, then B, D, F, B, D, F, B, D, F. Points lying on one line. 3 or more than 3 points. Now, B, D, F. Now, B, E, G. Yes. B, E, G. B, E. C, D, E. Very good, very good, very good. C, D. Mute the microphone, C, D. Very good. Chalo. Any other? Yes, A, C, F, B, E, G, then B, D, F, B, D, F, 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 no, N is a line, my dear. N is a line. N is not a point on the line. Now you tell me whether this is related to this problem. We are solving this problem in asking the question which is going to happen in the future. What is that? First you focus on this. L, M, N are line. They are not the point on the line. Okay, my dear. G, D will not come, no, my dear. G, D, E. How G, D, E? If you go like this way, then you will go like this and then. G, B I have covered, no. B, E, G. B, E, G same as G, E, B. One the same. B, D, F we have covered. Okay, so these are the only collinear points. Okay. Line whose point of intersection is C. Now E point. Line Q and line M, yes. Line whose point of intersection is C. Line whose point of intersection is C. E lines whose point of intersection is C. Lines whose point of intersection is C. Yes, so which line is point of intersection C? This is my point of intersection, no, my dear. Which line? Line Q and line M. Yes? Is it clear? Line Q and line M. Line Q and line M. Their point of intersection is C. Then F, 2 points of intersection. 2 points of intersection. See here, there is a difference, my dear. There is a difference between point of concurrence and point of intersection. Point of intersection we use for 2 lines. And point of concurrence we use whenever there are more than 3 or 3 lines. Okay. So intersection is what you use. Means I will consider 2 lines. So 2 point of intersection. two point of intersection. Two point of intersection. For point of intersection, you will consider two lines. Two points of intersection. Yes. What are the 2 points of intersection? You can take A. A is the intersection of Q and L. Yes. A is the intersection of Q and L. Okay. So point A, which is intersection of, which is point of intersection of line Q and line L. Line Q and line L. You can take. See here. F I will not consider, because F there are 3 lines. So that will be point of concurrence. 2 lines. You can take C also, which is the point of intersection of line Q and line M, which is already there. Okay. You can take E also, which is the point of intersection of R and M. Chalo. Let me take E. Only 2 points is required, so we take point E, which is point of intersection of, E is point of intersection of which line? Line R and line M. For point of intersection, you will consider 2 lines. For point of concurrence, you will consider 3 or more than 3 lines intersect each other at one common point. Okay? Chalo. F we have completed. Now, 2 point of concurrence. Chalo, let me write this side. 2 point of concurrence. F, G, 2 point of concurrence. 2 point of concurrence. Yes, what are the 2 point of concurrence? Tell me. First is B, which is the point of concurrence of line R, S, L. So point B and which point? Tell me. Yes, anybody? Yes, tell me. Chalo, Gauri Sawant, tell me. What is another point of intersection? My dear, point A, where point A there are 3 lines, tell me. Point A there are 3 lines. Point A there are 2 lines, point of intersection. Point F. My dear, C will be 2 lines. C is this line and this line. C is 2 lines. Whenever 2 lines intersect, that is point of intersection. Whenever 3 or more than 3 lines intersect, that is point of concurrence. My dear, A is a point of intersection of which line? This line and this line. How many lines? 2 lines. So it will be point of intersection. Point F is point of intersection of how many lines? Line Q, line S and line N. So point B and point F. For point of concurrence, you have to consider 3 or more than 3 lines. So B and F are point of concurrence. Point B and point F are point of concurrence. Is it clear? Yes or no? So for point of intersection, you will consider 2 lines. For point of concurrence, you will consider 3 or more than 3 lines. Is it clear? For point of intersection, yes, mute the microphone. 12th. Find the maximum, 12th one. Find the maximum and minimum point of intersection with. Find the maximum and minimum Find the maximum and minimum point of intersection. Find the maximum and minimum point of intersection. Points of intersection. Find the maximum and minimum point of intersections with first three lines. Yes, tell me. For three lines, what will be maximum and minimum point of intersection? Yes. For three lines, well, diagram is different. This is not the diagram. For three lines, what will be the maximum and minimum point of intersection? So let us draw two diagrams. Let us draw two diagrams. This is one line L. This is one line M. Draw this M, and this is third line N. Now can you tell me what is point of intersection? What is point of intersection? O. How many points are there? How many points are there in intersection of three lines? 1. So minimum is 1. Okay. So minimum is one point of intersection whenever that point will be point of concurrence. What about maximum? Let us draw for maximum. This is one line. This is my line L. This is my line M. Okay. And there is another line N. Draw this. Let us see. This is point of intersection A. This is point of intersection B. And this is point of intersection C. How many points of intersection are there in these three lines? 1, 2, 3. So maximum is 3. Okay, so maximum is 3. So for three line, minimum point of intersection is 1. Maximum point of intersection is 3. Whenever three lines will intersect in this way and form the triangle, maximum point of intersection will be 3 points. And whenever three lines intersect each other at one point, minimum point of intersection will be 1. Is it clear, my dear? Yes. Now 4 lines. Now it is 4 lines. So three line minimum point of intersection is 1 and maximum point of intersection is 3. Now we have to find minimum and maximum point of intersection for 4 lines. How many lines? 4 lines. Okay. Minimum is equal to 1, maximum is equal to 3. Point of intersection. Okay. Now B. 4 lines. So 4 lines also intersect each other in this way. This is my line L. This is my line M. This is line N. L, M, N. You can take this as M. M, N. You can take one more line, that is P. This is line P. Okay. So what is the minimum point of intersection? Minimum point of intersection is 1. So minimum point of intersection is 1. Minimum is 1. Minimum point of intersection is 1. Okay. What about maximum? Yes. Let us see. Maximum. No. Maximum will be different, my dear. Let us find the maximum. Okay. So let us take 3 lines first. In this way. This is my line L. then another line M, another line M, line L, line M, line N, line M, line N. This is my line N. L, M, N, L, M, N. Okay. Now you have to take one more point. One more line you have to take. No. Now how you will take one more line? You will take one more line in this way. You will take one more line in this way. L, M, N, N, P. How many points of intersection are there? You can see. This is A. This is B. This is C. This is D. Okay, this is E. And this is F. How many points of intersection are there? Yes. A, B, C, D, E, F. How many points of intersection are there for 4 lines? Yes, tell me. So maximum is maximum is 6. What are the maximum is 6. What is the point of intersection? A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so there are 4 points of intersection. Is clear, my dear? So minimum point of intersection, whether it is 3 line or 4 line, it will be 1. But for maximum point of intersection, for 3 line it will be 3, for 4 line it will be 6. 4 line it will be 6. And this complete our portion, fundamental concept of geometry. Okay, as per the reduced syllabus, we have completed the portion for term 1, fundamental concept of geometry. Yes, in fifth period I will discuss about the project. What project I am going to upload? I am going to upload on MICM. That project I will discuss. How you will make that project. Okay. No. 10.3, 10.4 is not there. Okay, so portion is over. Portion is over. Portion for not so today last period. No, my dear. 3 minutes are there. You solve one problem. Star question. How I can leave you without hammering your brain? Without hammering your brain, how I can leave you? You have to hammer your brain. Okay, chalo. You have studied decimal, yes or no? Yes? You have studied decimal, no, my dear? Okay. You have studied decimal, you have studied fraction. Yes? Yeah. Predecessor of predecessor of 12 minus 10 divided by 5. We have studied decimal, no? Decimal upon successor of. This is the question. Successor of 99. Successor of 99 into 1. Successor of 99 into 1. Successor of 99 into 1. First you have to find this. Okay, answer. Option A. 1.1, B 0.01, C 0.011, D 0.11. Yeah, let me see. I have taught you decimal also, I have taught you fraction also. Storm. Yes. Apply your brain. What do you got answer, my dear? First you tell me your name. Garv Vyas. What is the answer? 1.1 is absolutely wrong answer. 1.1 is absolutely wrong answer. Huh? 12 minus 10 divided by 5. You have studied BODMAS also. Chalo, my dear, you have to apply your brain. Without application. See what is the, no, first you simplify this, then you find predecessor. First you find, okay. हाँ चलो आंसर no. हाँ, who said 0.1? One minute. Who said 0.1? हाँ? शिक्षा. Okay, शिक्षा. 0. शुभ. हाँ चलो शुभ 0.1. Mute the microphone. Who is doing that? Keeping my voice. He or she? हाँ चलो ठीक है. Predecessor of 12 minus 10. So first we follow BODMAS. So that will be 12 minus 10 divided by 5 will be 2. 12 minus 2 is 10. Now predecessor of 10. 12 minus 5 2s are 10. 12 minus 2 is 10. 12 minus 2 is 10. So 10 upon successor of 99. Successor of 99 is 100. 100 into 1. So that will be 10 upon 100. 1 0 get cancelled, 1 upon 10. And I have told you 1 you can write 0 1 upon 10. And whenever there is 0 in the denominator, move from right and place the decimal. That will be 0.1. So correct answer is 0.1. Yes? Very good. Arey my dear, you have to follow BODMAS. I will not perform minus. First I will perform division. 10 divided by 5 will be 2. So 12 minus 2 is 10. Then predecessor of 10 is 9. Predecessor of 10. Not it will be my dear. Predecessor of 10, 9. It will be 9. 9 upon 100. Okay. It will be 9 upon 100. Predecessor, no. So 9 upon 100 will be 0.09. 0.09. So none of the answer is. There is option E. None of these. None. So none is correct. Okay. Chalo. So last period we will do the revision, few problem, and then we will discuss about project. What project we are going to upload on MICM, that project I will discuss. This complete the portion for term 1. Okay. So last period I will tell you how many chapters are there, what will be your project, everything we will discuss.